Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork easy. First, select a tender cut like pork loin or tenderloin. These cuts are naturally lean and cook quickly, making your meal preparation much simpler. Next, consider a quick marinade to infuse flavor and keep the meat juicy. Even a short 30-minute soak can make a big difference. Finally, ensure you cook it to the right temperature for perfect tenderness every time. When selecting your pork, opt for cuts like tenderloin or loin. These are fantastic for easy cooking because they are naturally tender and don't require extensive preparation. A good tenderloin should be firm and have a light pink color. Before you begin, take a moment to trim any large pieces of fat from the surface. This helps the pork cook more evenly and prevents it from becoming greasy. For an easy and flavorful seasoning, a simple rub is often all you need. Combine salt, freshly ground black pepper, and garlic powder for a classic taste. If you have a little more time, a marinade can work wonders. Even a quick 30-minute soak in a mixture with some citrus juice or vinegar will help tenderize the pork and infuse it with delicious flavors. Don't forget fresh herbs for an extra aromatic touch. To cook your pork perfectly, consider roasting it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for even results. For a beautiful crust, you can pan-sear it first before transferring it to the oven. The key is to cook the pork until its internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure accuracy. Once cooked, let the pork rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping your pork wonderfully moist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.